Hello, my name is Ryan Carniato. This is Engine News with the latest updates from the Angular community in 100 seconds every week. Jatin Ramanathan is not so well known in the Angular community, but he is the core maintainer of Google's Wiz framework, which lately announced that they are going to merge with Angular. Jatin was guest at Ryan Carniato's live stream and he explained how Wiz works. Jatin started showcasing Wiz by using the most famous Wiz application, namely Google Search.
Now you start seeing JS action right there. Body,
model,
JS model,
JS
JS controller, and JS action. So JS controller is component, right? Like JS controller, just think it's JS component, right? That's a component.
The discussion lasted 2.5 hours and it gives you an idea how Angular will look like in the future. We all know that AI plays an important role in software development. John Papa from Microsoft gave a talk about Copilot in VSCode, and the recording is available on YouTube. It was a walkthrough of all the different options and what kind of security measures Copilot has before it presents us the code. John also acknowledged that first of all, AI is not there to replace us, but it's about a new developer experience, and that the code of Copilot is not bulletproof, so we have to be careful.
It's not just giving you answers, it's that mental effort for repetitive tasks. There's a lot of things we do every day that are very, very repetitive.
Mathieu Riegler wrote an interactive Angular compiler application. It shows you the compiled code for a given component code. If you're interested in the internals, definitely have a look at it. And that's it. Wishing you a nice weekend. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.